We're gonna videotape the baby.
Roro, Roro, no. Leave the shoes alone. Here's food.
Robin.
Here's food.
Puff. What puff?
Where's food? Where's
Puff?
the puff? There's the puff.
Come get the puff.
Crawl for your food.
Come on.
Come on, crawl for your food.
Oh.
All right, there's a good boy.
All right. Into the mouth.
All right, now put him another one down.
Puff. See puff. See puff.
See Puff? She's putting Puff on the floor.
Come get the puff.
Crawl for Puff.
Come on. Come on, Robin. Get the puff.
Learning to crawl for Puff.
A little bit more. Come on, a little bit more. Woo! Got that one. Yeah. Bro. Puff. Come get Puff. Come on. I think you need to feed your kid for you. Come on, you're almost there. Oh! Oh. Yum. Hey, one more. Can you do one more? Puff. Puff. I'll put a couple down. There you go. Puff. A couple of puffs. Come on.
Move him further away. He's gonna get mad. That's how you teach a child to crawl. You bribe him with food. He crawled for his pup.
You go for
He
it.
got on his knees, Daddy.